Okay, so here we have another additional product from Wogaard, and this is the actual custom-made covers that fit over the conveyor head and the Swarf bin cover. They are made to measure. They completely seal the area around the Swarf bin and the conveyor head as much as we can to avoid all the nasty smells and keep the area clean around this back end of the machine. After all, this is still one of the areas that's still open on the actual machine tool. We make the custom covers that will fit. We have a window that you can see inside. We also even have a little coolant flap for the coolant saver. We can also put additional logos on the system as well. They're easy to use, easy for the operators to undo, take the bin away when they're ready for collection, and just completely tidy up the area again. The material is a durable, long-lasting material, waterproofed on the underside, making sure a long life of the covers as well. Okay, so we have another cover here we can show you on another machine, slightly different conveyor to bin configuration. So they're bespoke, made to measure, so we can offer them on different styles of conveyor to bin, different orientations. As you can see here, once the bin is full, you can see from the window here how much swarf you've got in there. It's time to take out for the operator, so we can basically take the vacuum cup outside of the bin, and then the operator can easily then take the elasticated, we've got elasticated bottom here, can take it away from the bin, take it away, and then we can then push away the Swarf bin, take it out for emptying, back in, and then the system goes back in to its right position, and then back over here and here. You can see very straightforward for the operator. And then, of course, not forgetting the most important thing, the vacuum cup to go back in and start saving all that lovely coolant.